vertical video just for YouTube. Happy Monday. This is a quick update, mulch update, landscape cleanup. We had to remove a bunch of overgrown weeds and everything was getting out of control. Updated the mulch, fixed the sprinklers. We had a couple sprinklers that were on the fritz and they weren't covering all of the sod. So we fixed those, and I put a little soil in here to help with the lawn recovery because they didn't get as much water. Everything mulched. Added another little sprinkler here. This is our affordable irrigation system. It really does the job. All of this sod was put in last year. And the irrigation system we use, it works excellently. This is a 4-zone unit from Orbit. Time has been set, and you can see the next start time is about 20 hours away. It's 4:55 p.m. Now we're using 3 zones, 1, 2, 3. So still got room if needed for more sprinklers. Let's take a look at the back. Fresh mulch. All the weeds are gone, all of the overgrown bushes, which were making it difficult to walk back here, are all cut back. Just a quick update. This time of the year, this is very popular. It's the fall. For a free quote, 904-321-9181. We'll come out and hook you guys up. Mulch everywhere just to keep it all nice and clean. You don't want weeds to grow into your AC unit, so we don't cut corners. We just hook it all up. Follow us on Instagram at Florida Pro Lawn Care. We are on to the next one. This is a quick vertical video, YouTube style. Actually, it's Instagram style, but it's for YouTube. Maybe I should upload this to Instagram. Okay. It is a beautiful Monday here in Jacksonville Beach. And it is just a wonderful day. All right, let's get some good video here on the way out. This will green up nicely with the fresh soil. Everything is mulched, ready for the fall.